Hi, I am Piyush Somani and I am a chartered accountant and a life coach. I thought of making this video for a long time and I was skeptical whether I should make it or not because a lot of people find it difficult to believe that someone can pass CA final exam in just 2 months without any classes. I would like to start with a disclaimer that this video is not about bragging anything. This video is about belief and what belief can do. So here's my story. I'll do it in Hindi and English both. मेरा CA फाइनल का अटैम्प्ट था May 15 में एंड अनलाइक बिग 4 हमको बस 4 महीना ही छुट्टी मिलती थी फॉर एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन एंड देर आर 8 सब्जेक्ट्स इन CA फाइनल. सो आई डिडंट डू एनी क्लासेस. अभी वाई आई डिडंट डू मेनी क्लासेस बिकॉज मेरे RTLship में देर वेर लॉट ऑफ आउट स्टेशन ऑडिट्स and I was lazy as well, so I didn't do any classes. And so January 1st को I started with accounts subject. मैंने 8 दिन पढ़ाई की and आधा किया मैंने. I didn't do any accounting standards because I get bored of theory. तो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत practical किया, कुछ आधा किया रहेगा मैंने 8 दिन में. and then I moved on to costing. फिर मैंने costing भी 4-5 दिन किया and then I left it. Now the main thing is that my sister's marriage got fixed on 26th of February. Initially it was 26th of February. Now being a Marwadi, we have a big fat Indian wedding and it goes on for 3-4 days. So मेरे घर पे मैं और मेरे पापा ही है जो काम करने वाले थे and मेरे पापा बिजनेस में बिजी थे, तो I had to do lot of work. So काम के चक्कर में मैंने 15 जैन के बाद पढ़ाई छोड़ दी एंड क्योंकि 26 फेब को होने ही वाली थी. 1-1.5 महीना तो लगता ही है, इतना सारा काम होता है. एंड बाय द टाइम 10th और 15th फेब आई डिडंट डू एनी स्टडी. आई वाज जस्ट डन विथ हाफ अकाउंट्स एंड हाफ कॉस्टिंग एंड my parents suddenly decided that the wedding has to be postponed by 15 days and now the revised wedding date was 10th of March. तो मेरी पढ़ाई और postpone हो गई. Now the wedding happened on 10th March and it took 5 days to settle down. And on 15th March, imagine that I had studied only for 2 half subjects. So let's say 1 subject. And I had 7 subjects to go and I had only 1.5 months. I actually panicked. I panicked because now I didn't know what to do. I thought that my attempt is done. I cannot even pass 1 group and I thought that maybe I should skip the attempt and I'll try in November. And I didn't study for next 2-3 days. And then I don't know, I somehow started believing that okay fine, what's the harm in study, why give up now? If I study and if I get even exemption in 1 or 2 subjects, I would have to study 2 subjects less for my November attempt. But I thought that okay, I'll not give up. And I made a new plan and then I said that okay, there are almost 40 odd days remaining, 42 days, and there are 7 subjects. So I just did 42 divided by 7 and I said that okay, I'll study every subject for 6 days and I'll just give the attempt. And I started with accounting standards because accounting में से accounting standards बच गया था. And you won't believe I studied accounting standard for next 7 days. On 25th March, I just finished accounts and half costing. So I procrastinated again. And 25th March को I started with a new subject. I studied that for 10 days. Then I studied next subject for 6 days. Then I studied next subject for 7 days. And by the end of 20th April, I had finished I guess 5 subjects and 3 subjects were still remaining, still untouched. Never read anything in my life about those subjects and all were theory subjects. I kept theory subjects for last because anyway if I study for theory subjects इनिशियली आई वोंट रिमेंबर इट. सो लास्ट में बचे थे ऑडिट एंड इसका जो अभी बंद हो चुका है. इसका इज इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम. आई डोंट इवन नो द फुल फॉर्म. दैट्स द लेवल ऑफ माई इग्नोरेंस. एंड लॉ, थर्ड सब्जेक्ट. तो आई हैड 10 days एंड आई हैड 3 subjects. सो उसमें भी आई प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटेड एंड लॉ एंड इसका में ही 8-9 दिन लगा दिए मैंने. एंड आई स्टडीड ऑडिट फॉर जस्ट 1 day. एंड 2 May से आई गेस मेरी एग्ज़ाम्स चालू हो गई थी. सो अकाउंट्स हुआ एंड अकाउंट्स वेंट टफ, वेरी टफ. I thought I would pass, but I didn't think that even I would get more than 50. And then there was SFM, Strategic Financial Management, and it was really bad. So tough. I thought I would fail. Or even if I would pass on 40. And 90% I thought that I'm going to fail this group. But I said that fine, I have 2 more subjects where I can try to score an exemption. And I didn't let my belief go away. मतलब you won't believe कि मैं जब एग्ज़ाम रूम में जाता था, I could see that my friends के बुक्स एकदम मुरझाए गए थे एंड हाइलाइटर वगैरह सब. एंड मेरी बुक ऐसी थी जैसे नई कोरी थी. एंड अनड्यू प्रेशर. बट I kept my belief alive. मैंने एग्ज़ाम दी एंड आई गेस 16-17 May को एग्ज़ाम्स ख़त्म हुई. एंड आफ्टर एग्ज़ाम्स आई थॉट कि सेकेंड ग्रुप थोड़ा अच्छा गया. मे बी आई कुड पास सेकेंड ग्रुप. मे बी ग्रुप 1 आई थॉट दैट आई हैव नो चांस बिकॉज ऑफ अकाउंट्स एंड SFM. Cut to the results date on 17th or 16th July and I passed. And I couldn't believe for 10-20 seconds that I passed both the groups. And I couldn't believe that I scored 67 in SFM and 69 in accounts. And the costing paper was so easy. I thought I would score 80 in costing. I scored only 56. So exactly inverse results. Lot of people don't pass CA exams even if they have studied, they have put in lot of hours, but they don't pass because they get nervous. And when you get nervous, or if you see the first question and you get panic कि oh shit ये तो मुझे नहीं आता, and then the entire paper goes for a toss. I didn't fall for that. I kept my belief alive. I said कि I'll attempt, जितना मुझे आता है उतना तो मैं लिखूँगा. This is what belief does. When things are not well, when you think that you don't have enough resources or enough time, only belief and hard work can help you achieve something extraordinary, something which others won't believe that it is possible to achieve. I agree कि there was a bit of element of fortune, but there is no fortune without hard work. It is said that fortune favors the brave. So be brave, believe in yourself, and then see what extraordinary things you can achieve in, not just in exams, but in your life. Share this video with other people, especially with your CA final friends. Coincidentally, I am posting this video on 31st August, and the people who are attempting their exams in November, they have exactly 2 months. So people who have not started studying yet, you can still pass.